Ekinaii atatu aria makoretwo makinyita ngari migwate na gucoka kuiya athii nimoragite ni Maabithaa borithi a Naivasha kuria angi atatu ao marahotire gwithara mari na nguraro cia rithathi. Giko giki gikihanikira barabara-ini ya Nairobi guthii Naikuru hakuhi na githinjiro kia Naivasha. Kwirikanite ekinaii aya amwe ao makoretwo magiitwa athii na thutha ucio haria mera ndereba maige arunao makiiyukia ngari na kuminyita migwate na gucoka kuiya athii.
The people were around 6 in number. They started firing at the police, and the police also fired back, and in the process 3 of them were fatally injured, and the other 3 or more perhaps managed to escape into the darkness.
Nake munini wa OCPD wa Naivasha John Kwasa augite kurumirira ndumiriri kuuma kuri muingi amwe nocio niguo marahotire guikia ekinaii aya atandatu ngono makiuraga atatu na angi atatu ao magithara.
These people that were fatally injured are among those that have been carrying a spate of robberies along this line between Naivasha and Gilgil.
Kwasa nioritie muingi kunyitanira oro undu umwe na ene ngari cia matatu na aria marutaga wira nacio kunyitanira niguo kuhukia ciiko ici cia ekinaii.
The names were the same as those people who had reported, of the things that had been reported, like the laptop had been reported by one of the ladies, and the mobile phones, and had also been reported by some of the passengers, and the driving license had also been reported by some of the passengers.
Girifotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwirori.